Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today on the menu I will show you how to make this delicious hot honey chicken sandwich. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start by marinating our chicken. Here I have some thinly sliced chicken breast already washed. I'll be using some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, garlic and onion powder, cayenne pepper, and some smoked paprika. I also have a pack of sazon and some plain yogurt. So basically what I did was combine all of my seasonings because I will be using half of it for my breading and I will add the other half to the chicken. So once you're done here, you want to just separate it into half. Once the seasonings are separated, I then go ahead and add my pack of sazon to only the chicken seasoning because I didn't want it in the breading. Then I added those seasonings to the chicken along with the plain yogurt, mix well to combine, and allow to sit and marinate for about 4 to 6 hours. If you have time and you can let it go overnight, that would be best. The yogurt helps to tenderize the meat and make it juicy and moist. Now for the breading, I have some cornstarch, all-purpose flour, and some black pepper. I will add the remaining seasonings to that, mix well to combine, and set aside. Now let's make our hot honey sauce that we'll use to coat our chicken with using a stick of butter, some honey, and some hot sauce. Super simple. You want to mix well to combine, and once it comes together, turn the heat off and set aside. Here I have some mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. This is what we'll use to coat our buns with. I know I don't like a dry chicken sandwich, and most of you do not like that as well. So yeah, once we're done combining, set aside. Now to a separate bowl, I will add a few spoons of the breading that we made earlier, and we will add some water to it. You want to create a thin batter so that we can double coat our chicken in. Now, if you're not a fan of super crispy chicken, you can skip this step. Just go ahead and dip your chicken into the flour alone, and that's it. But if you want your chicken to not become soggy when you actually add the sauce over top, this is the step that you have to complete so that, you know, the chicken will remain crispy throughout the process. So like you see me doing here, you want to just dip your chicken first into the flour, then into the batter, then back into the flour, and you want to carry on with this same process until you're all done. So here to my preheated oil, I'll go ahead and fry the chicken breast. Now these are cut super thin, so they really won't take a long time to cook, about 8 minutes or so, and they are actually done. Chicken breast is another thing that you don't want to overcook, or else it will become tough and dry, and we don't want that. So after about 8 minutes, I remove my chicken breast and carry on with the next batch until I was all done. Once they're done, you want to go ahead and coat them. You could dip the entire thing into the sauce, or you can brush it like I'm doing here. And yeah, you just carry on. Flip them over and do the same thing to the other side. And I will now go ahead and start assembling my chicken sandwich. So today I'm using Hawaiian brioche bun, but feel free to use any bun of your choice. I went ahead and toasted the buns up, and I added the sauce on both sides of the bun. Then I went in with my pickles, This is going to be super simple. I'm only using pickles and lettuce, but feel free to use anything you like on your sandwich. You can use tomatoes, you know, whatever, cheese, whatever you want to add, go ahead and do that. But here you have it, my version of the most delicious hot honey chicken sandwich. When I tell you this was so amazing, I could not stop eating it. It was so flavorful, it was moist, juicy, and tender, and I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. Share it and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.